Today's topic is the bigram formation from the given list. We have the two methods to solve it. Method one that using an enumerate and a split function under the list comprehension, and the second method is using the zip under the split function under the list comprehension. And let's start with the first method. In the first method, as you can see, we have a list comprehension over here, which is going to combine those enumerate and the split function. So what is the enumerate is gonna do is it's going to add a counter to our list, and then it's going to return them in the form of enumerate objects. So the I dot split will be used as our enumerate object. After that, it's going to get into the if condition over here. That means if let's say it is gonna take the first element of the list over here. Okay, so what it's gonna do is for every first element in our list, after that it goes to the for loop. In here the enumerate function is going to split this values to the ABC, DEF and to the GHI, and it's going to add a counter to the list over here, and after that it goes in the if condition that if the length of our split minus 1 is less than the j, then we are going to add the values into our list. The values will be the element which we are going to work on and our split element plus the iteration of the j. That means if we are working on the first element, then the EBC will be our x over here, and after that which will be followed by to the DEF, and coming towards the further, the DEF will be our x, and then the GHI will be our next split element over here. As you can see, the bigram function over here, ABC and to the DEF, after that it's followed by DEF and to the GHI, and in the third element, which is X, Y, Z, and UVW, since it doesn't have the third element in it, so it is going to have only the two of them together. Same goes for the PQR and to the element.